Hi up there guys, in this video I will show you how to hide phone number on Telegram. Firstly guys, go on your left upper side by clicking the three dots icon. Right after that you need to select the settings side. Then you should scroll down and looking for the second selection that says privacy and security. Click on that selection, and then as you can see on the first side, on the privacy upside, you have on the second selection phone number. Click on that selection, and then on my first side I have a question that says who can see my phone number. As you can see here guys, it is selected the second selection that says my contacts. Now what we need to do to hide our phone number on Telegram, you need just to go simply and tap on the last section that says nobody. Who can see my phone number? Nobody. Click on it. Now who can find me by my number? Everybody, or just my contacts. If you want to make sure that your account is more secure and your privacy settings are getting development on it, just go on my contacts and then go on your tick on your right upper side. Now guys, you know how to hide phone number on Telegram. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys. Have a nice day.